Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely amazing laundry detergent. And it is an enzyme-based laundry detergent, and it is 99% made out of natural ingredients, so you don't have any of those harsh chemicals, which makes it absolutely perfect for if you have like sensitive skin or you just don't want all that stuff on your clothes. So it doesn't have sulfates, it doesn't have any of the bleach, it doesn't have any brighteners. It's just pure, simple cleaning, which is one of the nice things. So it's by a company called Puracy. Right here, you can see I have the refill bag, which is great because this thing can do 192 loads of laundry. So essentially what this is going to do is it's going to fill up the laundry bottle here, which about 3 times, and then the little bottle here does 64 loads. So you get a ton of laundry for this nice compact size, and that's because it is a concentrated liquid. You're not watered down with a ton of extra water. It is the pure cleaning power that is in here, which makes it easy. So one of the nice things is if you have trouble lifting those big jugs, as you can see, this is nice and small, and you're just simply going to pump it in, and then that's it. It's easy to lift, it's easy to move around, put up on a shelf and whatnot, and utilize because it doesn't have all that extra water in it, which is just a nice little great additive, I guess you could say. Now, as far as how effective it is, we've been using it for a while. I absolutely love it. I have a son. It does really well with getting rid of odors. It breaks down all the dirt and grime really well, and so we've been really impressed with it and been very happy with it. Now, the scent that I have here is called the Free and Clear scent, and essentially what that is it's their natural scent. They don't have any perfumes added to it, which is another reason it's great for sensitive skin. And the Free Clear kind of just brings out the natural cotton smell, if you will, of your clothing, which is a great little feature of it also. But overall, I'm very pleased. It is super easy to fill these, super easy to utilize. If you do have a high efficiency machine, how it's basically going to work is you're going to do 1 pump for a normal or small load. You're going to do 2 pumps for a large load. If you have a normal, the non-HE washer, you're going to basically double those. So do 2 pumps for a normal to small load and do 4 pumps for a larger load. But overall, very easy to use. Totally recommend giving this a shot if you're looking for a new laundry detergent. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.